Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how you can install WordPress in local XAMPP server. If you learn something from this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment in this video. Let's dive in. First of all, go to the browser and search XAMPP download. Okay, I downloaded, so should be from my desktop. Now I will download WordPress latest version. WordPress download. Download WordPress 6.8 version. Okay, download is completed. Now we need to install the XAMPP in our local server. Since yes. Okay, install it completed. Click on the finish. We need to start the Apache and MySQL. So I run it. Now we need to go the WordPress. We need to unzip it. Extract. Okay, unzip is completed. Now we need to copy it from here and go to the localhost XAMPP, and here you see the st docs. So you need to go there. Create a folder. So the WordPress website, and paste this here. Go there and copy all from here and paste this here. Delete this, we don't need it now. So now we need to go the local search bar and search it from here, localhost WordPress website. So continue from here, and here is the welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we will need to know the following items: database name, database username, database password, and database hosts, and table prefix. Now we need to create the database name from localhost php myadmin. Localhost /php myadmin. New the database name I given wordpress and create it. The database name is wordpress root. Okay, now the WordPress is installation. Okay, the WordPress website, username Pradeep, and the password you can give here your email address, so give in my email address here. Okay, WordPress successfully installed. Now we need to log in here. Now we are successfully installed the WordPress in local XAMPP server. The 2025 theme activated already, so we can visit our website. We are installed the WordPress successfully. I will show you in the next video how you can create a website. If you learned something from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment in this video. Thank you for watching.